We're talking about drones this week because they seem to be generating a lot of buzz with the growers and dealers we've been talking to recently, and the numbers back it up. In fact, nearly 18% of strip tillers surveyed in the recently published Strip Till Farmer Benchmark study said they plan on purchasing drones next year. Now, we caught up with Luke Schultes, who owns and operates Viola Drone Services in Audobon, Iowa. The business uses drones to perform fungicide and pasture spraying, seed cover crops, and scout with multi-spectral imagery. He also uses them on his own farm to apply pre-emergence herbicide, biologicals, cereal rye, and red clover as a relay crop into standing soybeans. So there are several steps to take before operating a drone. For example, Luke says in Iowa, he had to get a drone pilot's license, a crop duster's license, an aerial commercial applicator's license, and register with the Iowa Department of Transportation. But the process is paying off for Luke, who says the return on investment has been great.
It's pretty versatile, and cost efficiency is huge. You know, a machine like this that can cover our family farm costs 10% of what a sprayer would. A late model sprayer from any of the big manufacturers as a young farmer, is kind of outside my budget. So doing a machine that I can operate on a smaller machine on smaller acres, I guess, is kind of the name of the game, and it's more efficient. My ROI and margin has been huge. Definitely a good investment so far.
And Luke's not alone in his usage of drones. According to the most recent No-Till Farmer Benchmark study, 15% of no-tillers are using drones in 2023. In the Technology Corner, I'm Noah Newman.